Good morning, my dear students. Let us discuss about UCA Management Unit 2, Class 4. Today's our concept is sensitivity analysis. Sensitivity analysis is very important analysis in UCA management in UCA world. Coming to the sensitivity analysis, here all decisions that business managers are taken forward looking. Here the decisions which are taken by the business managers are forward looking. And decisions need to be based on expected values as correct information. Here the decisions which are taken by the management or managers of the organization are depending upon expected values, as correct information is not available regarding future. The decision they has taken, but they don't know what will be happen according to future. And so uncertainty cannot be avoided in the business decision. Here uncertainty is nothing but risky. So future is a risky condition. We cannot determine the future situation. So uncertainty cannot be avoided in business decisions. Coming to the sensitivity analysis, it is a statistical tool. Sensitivity analysis is a statistical tool that determines how the consequent deviations from the expected value occur. Here, the sensitivity analysis tells about the determining how the consequent deviations from the expected value. It is a statistical tool, and sensitivity analysis deals with the finding out the amount by which we can change the input data. Yes, sensitivity analysis will provide some amount of information that changes the input data for output of linear programming model to remain comparatively unchanged, and this helps us determining the sensitivity of data we supply from the problem. This helps us in determining the sensitivity of data we supply for the problem, and it is also helps to determine optimal levels of each input. Sensitivity application. Here sensitivity application tells about various factors. Those are here the sensitivity estimates of cash flows are based upon assumptions about the economy and competitors, consumer taste and preference, cost control, construction cost and taxes, among a host of other possible assumptions. Here sensitivity analysis applications about the estimation of cash flows are based upon assumptions about economic conditions and competitors in the market and consumer taste and consumer preference which is held in the market, and construction cost, taxes, among a host of other possible assumptions. And coming to the second point, one of the first thing managers must consider above these estimates is how sensitivity they are to be assumptions. Coming to the example of this one is, if we only sell 2 million of units instead of 3 million of units in the first year, is the project still profitable? Coming to the example of sensitivity analysis, if we are having 3 million units, but we have sold the 2 million units only in the first year, then the project is still in profitable condition or not? That is the question mark. And if the government increases the tax rates, will the project still be attractive? If the government increases the tax rates, then the government if the government increases the tax rate, then the project will be attractive or not? And we can analyze the sensitivity of cash flow to change in the assumptions by re-estimating the cash flow for different scenarios. Here we can analyze the sensitivity of cash flow to change their assumptions by re-estimating the cash flow for different scenarios. And coming to this sensitivity analysis is also called as scenario analysis. It means present trend analysis. It is a method of looking at the possible outcomes given a change in one of the factors in the analysis. It will bring a change in one of the factor in analysis. And sometimes we refer to this as what if analysis, what if this changes, what if that changes. Means according to the analysis, what changes we can affordable to the company, we will come to one important decision. By using of sensitivity analysis, our business will be growth a lot. Need for sensitivity analysis. What is the need for sensitivity analysis is here. Sensitivity analysis can be useful for a number of reasons, including support decision making or development of recommendation. Here, supporting decision making is very important for development of recommendations for decision makers in the organization. For example, testing and robustness. Testing and robustness. What is the meaning of robustness? Is quality and condition. Here quality is good and condition is good and of a result. Coming to enhance the communication means develop the communication from modelers to decision makers. Example, by making recommendations more creditable, understandable and compelling or persuasive. Here compelling means and persuasive means interest and temptation. By developing the communication from models to decision makers only, by making recommendations more creditable, understanding and attractable by the sales people towards the customers, and increase understanding or quantification of system. Example, understanding relationship. Here we want to increase the understanding or quantification of the system. Coming to example is understanding the relationship between input and output variables. And fourth point, model development. Example is searching for errors in the model. Thank you my dear students. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.